So we see in the layer manager that we can, isolate certain layers and turn layers on and off. There's another quick way to hide a layer or turn a layer off, and that's using the menu tool up here, where you can go to Format, and under Format on the flyout, you've got Layer Tools, and there's Hide Layer, Show All Layers. You can freeze a layer, lock a layer, so you can use these tools to hide or turn off or make an active layer. So if I say Hide Layer, and I want to get rid of these, you just select the objects, right? So you're specifying the layer by entity. And if I want to get rid of the dimensions, I just click on that as well. If I want to get rid of like the hatch patterns, I can, just pick those layers, and these, or pick the objects, and the layers will will get hidden. Now, if you right click and go to settings, you can, turn them on and off in like block selection or in viewports, but that'll be discussed in a later video. If you escape and get out of that command and you want to turn everything back on, you can go to menu and back to format, layer tools, and say show all layers, and that will turn all the layers back on.